na banti yehu, and so yehu. I know, baby, if I quit Juma. It's your boy again. It's your boy J Blaze. It's your boy Blaze again. It's another weekend, another Premier League weekend. You know, say the year when they come, you go talk about that. Last week, that's the year when daily put about top. This week, this weekend, Charlie, it's Spider-Man this morning, Charlie. Hi! Will you put this with a C? Will Liverpool this? Will Liverpool this? Will Liverpool this with a C? See me everybody is scored and they tell a shout. Liverpool tell a shout. Anybody at talk of his call Liverpool ready. Hearts of Oak Kotoko. Anybody at talk of his call Liverpool ready. Anybody at talk of score Liverpool. I don't see team Isha like this before. Hi! Concede 3 goals in the span of the period of just 8 minutes. Concede 3 goals. I swear. I see Alisson be the created keeper. The Chelsea keeper, no. The Chelsea keeper. In the Alisson, they did the same level. Alisson be fraud. Hi! The guy be fraud. Hi! Klopp. The excuse is what's up. They can't give excuse again. This Liverpool team and then sharp pass. And I say anybody at all go please call them. Hi! Last week now, figure City they raped them. Why they shout, stop the rape. Sean they rape them. Not knowing this week it go be worse. Defense in shambles. Not knowing this week it go be worse. At the Bab say, Charlie, my players head, Van Dijk heads them since at the Bab. But if like my fans will keep cool, my fans will keep cool. Let me humble small, no. Charlie. We not gonna laugh them, but they make noise. I know what I mean. Name beautiful Sajete. If you know what I'm trying for, tag out for the comment section. The guy just say talk. Back to back, man. Hi, Liverpool. This don't be a Liverpool we see a year ago. Boys, the way things they go, no, I'm not sure say Liverpool go for enter the top 4 inside. So of Chelsea they push up higher every single weekend. When tomorrow Chelsea get game, no be Monday. If Chelsea win them a game, then go overtake Liverpool, they go fit. When the teams behind Chelsea, they get outstanding games, 2-3 outstanding games, and Tottenham get 2 outstanding games, Aston Villa gets outstanding games. Liverpool really they shit inside, and they deep trouble inside. I swear, the team just make me clap. Yeah, you need the touchline plus in yellow teeth. They do them in turns. Yeah, what's that? And you know nice, you know fine. Now I want to talk about this player. This is my player, Thiago. Then sign Thiago, and no make we hear. Thiago world class midfielder. Then since they come the Premier League inside, they will win the league again. Thiago just make me. Before they start to capitulate today, and before Liverpool make me today, if Thiago it cost everything. That free kick it go cost me. That should have been the penalty. I don't know what the hell VAR they do for games inside. That should be a penalty. What kind of nonsense was that? But he start everything. Well, luckily for Leicester, it ended up being a goal. That's where everything starts from. Thiago is Thiago Shan. We are going to talk today. Thiago Shan. Jorginho have better pass Thiago. Jorginho better pass Thiago. Fred better pass Thiago. Thiago Kolegono. Thiago Noko. Thiago. Osia. Thiago. He sharp pass. And they talk every day. Boys when they hear. The Bayern, the system they help him with. The guy is Shan. Why figure Barca ship out to Bayern? The guy is Shan. Thiago is Shan. He's not even any world class midfielder. The guy just Shan. Then Alisson. Hi. Kepa do I go see the top play team. But Alisson, they do when you keep quiet. Alisson, he sharp pass Kepa's half. Alisson, he sharp pass Kepa. He sharp pass him. Boys, this don't be the Alisson we see for Roma. This is the Alisson we see for the past 2 seasons for Liverpool. The guy just sharp. Right, they see in true colors. Right, they see in true colors. Right, they see the Alisson. This is the Alisson with the word chair make we see. The guy just shine. The guy just shine. Charlie. But I feel, Charlie. Charlie, the Liverpool fans, they tag them, they love them, man. For love them. See ya? Very soon, they go tell me table team. Europa side no get play. They no get Europa play. Hey, hi. But I boys, I make happy as always. Anytime Liverpool lose, I make happy. Rough. The team just bore me. I don't know what I thought that this club do me. I don't know. The ones that swim here, they hate Liverpool pass. Me, I they hate them pass. Me, them my brother Tiklo. We they hate Liverpool pass. Hi, we they hate Liverpool pass Everton fans. We they hate Liverpool pass Everton fans. Hi. They hate Liverpool past Everton fans. I don't know why they hate the club. They hate them. If Chelsea lose, Man U lose. So far as Liverpool to no win, no, I'm okay. Me, Liverpool, I they hate them past me, Liverpool. Where's Charlie? Where's not say Vals Day they come? Tomorrow be Vals Day then too. It's not that right. Vals Day they come tomorrow. Wait, no, Vals Day be tomorrow. Where I know some Liverpool fans no. I swear them, women go do them with yawa. But this year no Charlie. Them brothers Charlie, if you look out for them. If you look out for Liverpool fans, I know say them women to go do them yawa. I know say them women to go do them yawa. Oh, the women go do them yawa. Double wahala, double yawa they come. They get one broken heart today. Maurice also will get another one. My woman no go beat them. They go vanish. They no go find the girl. But me, I go fit help them when they go fit find them a woman for the things. Especially the ones for Ghana, the things. No, if you won't find a woman, you will pull for where you make where you won't find a woman more. Number one, Aqua Safari, baby. For go fit spy Aqua Safari there. Then some places they call it Royal Saint. Them the two places are not. Then moving pick. See ya. Moro, all the pool fans, no go find a woman. See ya, double broken heart. Change your team. Change inside before you get heart attack and die. Hey, I swear. Hey, I don't make happy like this before, boys. Charlie, what a weekend. The weekend starts jagging me. Will be the first game of the day. Charlie. So I turn up Charlie today. I not bet anybody, not for the sake of this game. I spy the full game. And they lead, and they make more. My party text me, so you see them go score more goals than Twins. Leicester no go fit score them than Twins. I say, oh, relax, bro. No, we say they play anything extra. Oh, Leicester go tear them Twins. Leicester can't see and no. See them. See them. See them. See them. See them. See them. They make me all the Liverpool fans. They make me like more money. They make me like more money. Well, boys, Charlie, out of the Liverpool boys, we go cut bet. I say, you don't know good. It's also go cut bet. Well, you know, say, Charlie, this be the first game for the weekend, no. Early kickoff, wait, Charlie. This bets, I mean, the first game on the sleep, no, it's poor. So, boy, no, Charlie, boy, the Charlie, if you over give him, it's over. It's over. It's over. Guys, Charlie, nah, the way I did love them, you know, fine. Charlie. Boys, I say Liverpool then get triple wahala this weekend, oh. Number one, number fans when they go cut the bet, no. Then do yawa. Number two, they also lose the game. Number three, number women go do them yawa tomorrow, Val's Day. So with all this being said, I beg, if you don't love them, take them easy, bro. Make you no go all in for out for them, Charlie. Them humans, Charlie. Them humans like we, nah. Stop the rape, stop the rape, stop the rape, stop the rape, stop the rape. Guys, please like, share, comment, and have fun. But even so, I hope so your woman no go do your. I hope say you define the status of your relationship for tomorrow. No tomorrow you go find out say the girl they come out with another boy in woman. No tomorrow you go find out say your woman no be your woman. No. Deji, bro. Deji brothers. You know tomorrow if I find out I hear stories like that. Guys, stay safe. And always like, share, and subscribe. Comment.